Level 9. Bird. Bird. A bird is an animal with feathers and wings that can fly high up in the sky. The bird made a nest on Big Blue's hat.
Alphabot's Adventures! A huge bird is a great way to fly. Just hold on tight.
Bird.
Phew.
The bird accidentally knocked her egg out of the nest. Bird. B-b-b-bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. B-b-b-bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Dog. Dog. A dog is a four-legged friend that people keep as pets. Dogs like to bark, run, and chew on bones. Pinkerton took Eli the dog out for a run.
Alphabot's Adventures! Got a ride over the snow from a team of dogs.
Dog. Yoshi likes to dress up her dog in her own clothes.
Perro. Perro is the Spanish word for dog.
Oh.
Oh. El perro nuevo de Grok es muy lindo. Grok's new dog is very cute.
Dog. Did you know that dogs are the cousins of foxes and wolves? Cat. Cat. A cat is a small furry animal with whiskers that usually lives in your house. They purr when they're happy and like to sleep in warm places, like your lap.
Meow. Meow.
A kitten is a baby cat and is very, very cute. When it's raining hard, we sometimes say, "It's raining cats and dogs." The rain came down like cats and dogs.
Gato. Gato is the Spanish word for cat. Pinkerton creía que el gato se lamía porque sabía bien. Pinkerton thought the cat was licking itself because it tasted good.
Cat. Did you know that cats are the smaller cousins of wild cats like lions and tigers? Fish. Fish. A fish is an animal with fins and scales that lives and breathes underwater. That was a really big fish.
Alphabot's Adventures! A fish swam down my throat when I was waving to the boat.
Fish. They saw some amazingly colorful fish. Fish. A pufferfish is a fish that can blow itself up like a balloon. Fish. Once, I caught a fish this big. Rabbit. Rabbit. A rabbit is a small furry animal with long ears that hops when it moves. Rabbits live in burrows underground. Scampi played leapfrog with the white rabbit.
Alphabot's Adventures! The thankful rabbit hopped away.
Rabbit. Can you hop like a bunny rabbit?